So let me show you how to end your thread. I filled in my Y, and you can see I have a few inches of thread left. I wouldn't want to get much shorter than this before I end it. You're going to really struggle with that. You could go ahead and insert your needle through, make a loop, and then make a knot. Again, I like to avoid having knots, and instead I just weave the end of my thread in. So I'm just very simply, I like to just kind of go through, again, I'm just skimming the back surface, and I'll just take my knot through, or sorry, take my needle through and kind of weave it in and out. I kind of vary the directions. I go back a few times. And again, I find that I don't need a knot to secure it, that just this weaving makes my embroidery nice and secure. So I'll do it maybe 4 or 5 times. And again, I'm not going through the front of the quilt block or the front of my fabric. I'm just kind of skimming the surface. So then once I have that, I'll go ahead and get my scissors and cut it pretty close, and it's nice and secure. So I really hope you give embroidery a try. It's a lot of fun, and you can add a lot of detail to your quilt blocks with it.